Ethical Issues in Marketing, presented by Suhasini, MCom Previous, MPM First Grade College, Karkala. Marketing ethics is an area of applied ethics which deals with the moral principles behind the operation and regulation of marketing. Ethical issues in marketing arise from conflicts of interest among parties doing business with each other. Each party has its own expectation on how the business relationship is supposed to be. What is ethical marketing? Ethical marketing means the application of marketing ethics into the marketing process. Marketing ethics has the potential to benefit society as a whole, both in the short and long run. Frameworks used in analysis of marketing ethics. There is three types of framework. First one, value oriented framework. This framework analyzes ethical issues in marketing on the values on which they infringe. Value oriented framework analyzing ethical problems on the basis of values which they infringe. For example, honesty, autonomy, privacy, transparency, etc. American Marketing Association statement of ethics follows this approach. Second one, process oriented framework. This framework analyzes ethical issues in terms of processes or categories used by marketers. For example, market research, price and promotion, and so on. It analyzing ethical problems in terms of the categories used by marketing specialists. Third one, stakeholder oriented framework. This framework analyzes ethical issues on the basis of who is affected by them. It analyzing ethical problems on the basis of whom they affect, for example, consumers, competitors, society as a whole. Ethical issues in some of the areas of marketing. Market research. Ethical issues in market research include privacy and stereotyping. The privacy issue can be viewed in two major ways: free market and consumer protection. Market research is an organized effort to gather information about target markets or customers. It is a very important component of business strategy. Ethical issues in market research includes privacy and stereotyping. The privacy issue can be viewed in two major ways: free market and consumer protection. In the free market view, businesses are allowed to act as they wish. However, it is expected that consumers have the knowledge to know when their privacy is infringed and stop doing business with the businesses that infringe their privacy. In a free market, goods and services are worth what people believe they are worth and are willing to pay for. The free market and only the free market allows people to act on their individual desires. Consumers protection, on the other hand, assumes that consumers may not have the knowledge or the time to discern that their privacy has been infringed. Hence, there are regulatory bodies or the government itself that puts measures to protect consumers and punishes businesses that infringe customer privacy. Consumer protection is the practice of safeguarding buyers of goods and services and the public against unfair practices in the marketplace. Analysis needs to be done on the collected information and individuals categorized into groups. If the analysis is done incorrectly or irresponsibility, it results in stereotyping. Thank you.